Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, brown color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2 T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3 and again use red color T-H-R-W-3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow color F-O-U-R 4. Kids again use yellow color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color S-I-X 6. Kids again use black color and draw 7. The numbers of 7 S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10 T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use brown color Kids again use brown color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use brown color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use green color Kids again use green color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color 17. The numbers of 17 and again use red color 18. The numbers of 18 and again use red color. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color Kids again use yellow color and last we draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.